Yeah, Sunday glue. Come on, man. Wait.
Let's lock in. Let's be ready to go now. Hey, we coming out here to make plays and bust some heads. Now that's what we out here to do. No mental bust. Let's go out there and just be great now.
Hey man, when I'm in the huddle and I look at all y'all, I wouldn't want to be with nobody else. Nobody else. We got what we need right here and right now. Let's go play together today. Let's go.
Boot up, let's go! This is for you, baby! This is for you, watching up to the heavens! Woo!
Hey, this is what we work for, right? Set your mind to it, let's go! If your f***ing heart ain't jumping out your jersey right now, something wrong with you. Hell yeah! Let's go! Let it happen! Everybody's a playmaker today, let's go! Lines on 3, 1, 2, 3!
Hey, week 1, man, let's go.
The Cardinals won the toss and deferred, so the Detroit Lions will get the ball first.
Here's the run-up and the kick, and 2019 is underway for the Lions. Out will come the offense for the Lions, led by Matthew Stafford. Not sure what to expect out of this offense. New coordinator in Darrell Bevel. We know they want to run the ball and pass off the run.
Absolutely.
Stafford out of the pistol, turns, gives to Kerryon Johnson. Big hole across the 35 to the 40 to the 41-yard line.
Let's go! Go! That's it, son! See him all day! See him all day! Nice! Give me some! Nice!
Fakes the give to Kerryon, throws right side. It is caught. That's Hawkinson right side, turns the corner at the 40, gets across midfield into Cardinal territory. 28 yards on the first catch of TJ Hawkinson's career. Stepping up, gonna get hit, gonna get sacked. Taken down back inside the 5-yard line. Devon Kennard got him.
Yes, sir.
Rolling right, running out of room, looking for somewhere to go.
Get out! Get out!
He throws it, and is picked off by the Lions. Intercepted for Detroit by Tracy Walker. Murray threw it up for grabs. Walker tightrope the sidelines, came down, got both feet in for the pick. Stafford to throw, blitz comes, got to get out of there. Matthew rolling right, being chased, he's going to keep it himself. Stafford angling for the first down, and he's got it. Heads up play by Matthew Stafford, who saw the heat coming that time. Spot down, kick away, he's got the distance. It is good! He got it from 55.
Hey! He's got to finish off the drives, man. We're in great shape.
No, well,
Hey, we got a lot of offense, man. Hey, we got a lot of offense.
It's second down and 6. 3-0, they lead it. Good field position here. But Stafford play action fake being chased. Matthews got to duck out of there. Now he sets and throws deep down the right side. It is caught. Amendola at the 20. Shakes the man at the 10. Standing in the house. Touchdown, Detroit Lions. Oh, baby, Stafford evaded the pressure. Amendola hauled it in, slipped the defender, took it to the house. That's big.
And look, the man of the hour has to be T.J. Hawkinson, because if he wouldn't have got back and got his hand on that rushing end, there's no way Matthew would have got that pass off. Great job by T.J. to get back and get a hand on that rush.
Kyler Murray shotgun snap, has it himself, being chased. Daniels is after him. Now he rolls right, staying alive in the play. Gonna get hit, gonna get sacked. Back inside the 30-yard line. They were relentless coming after him. And the man that finished him off, he's back home. It's Devon Kennard. Throws, it is caught. Hawkinson, a lot of room, 40-yard line, 45 to the 50. Left sideline, Cardinal territory, and shoved out of bounds. Stafford's gonna keep it, run, pass option, and Stafford kept it inside the 30. How about Matthew running the RPO? Matthew looks, throws, got a man, Kenny Galladay, he can walk in. Touchdown, Detroit Lions. Looks, throws left, it is incomplete, and that's going to bring up 4th down, and the field goal unit will come out. Blitz comes, they pick it up, now he's in trouble being chased. Jelani Tavai got him! Welcome to the NFL, young man. Your first sack, and it's a big one.
LB's in! LB's in! Hell yeah!
Stafford takes the shotgun snap back, stepping up, rolling right, looking. Stafford wants to throw, does, end zone, caught, touchdown, Detroit Lions. Oh, baby, Stafford stayed alive on the play and threw it. T.J. Hawkinson with a catch, 23 yards on the connection. What a play by that quarterback, and what a day for the rookie. Murray back again with time. Now he steps into a throw deep down the middle. David Johnson caught, touchdown. Murray takes the snap, looking right, throws out there, Fitzgerald, touchdown. And the Cardinals will go for 2 to try to tie this game. Cardinals going for 2 in the tie. Murray's got the snap, back, looks, throws left side, it is caught. 2-point conversion is good to Christian Kirk. We got a tie game. Stafford loads and throws. Deep down, wants Galladay. It is incomplete. So here we go. We'll go to overtime. Week 1 with the Lions and Cardinals. Rolling to his right. Now he's being chased by Tavai. Throws it, and it is incomplete. Arizona will send the field goal unit out. Gonzalez is ready, spot down, kick on the way. It is up and it is good. Matthew turns, fakes the give to carry on. Stafford throws over the middle. It is caught by Marvin Jones inside the 20-yard line and down to the 18. Marvin had to go down to make the catch and did for 23 yards. Matthew back, drifting left, throws, end zone up. It is incomplete, intended for Kenny Galladay. It's going to be a 33-yard field goal. The Lions need this to play on. Muhlbach to snap. There it is. Martin the hold. Prater the kick. It is up and it is good. And we are tied with 3:48 to go. And the Lions will now kick it back to Arizona. He's back. Steps into the throw. Knocked down at the line of scrimmage. Christian Jones got his hands on it to knock it down. Stafford back. Stepping up. Looking. Throwing deep down the field. And it is going to be out of bounds into the Arizona bench. And that's your game. Two teams will meet out in the middle of the field to say, job well done. Job done pretty equally today. Lions end up in a tie. First tie for the Lions since they tied the Eagles 23-23 in overtime back in 1984. Final score, 27-27. Lions and Cardinals. This is Lions Radio.